Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to online class. In last few classes already we have discussed about the magnetic fields around a bar magnets and magnetic field lines, properties of magnetic field lines of force, and how we can draw the field lines of a bar magnet. Today we will discuss the magnetic field lines of U-shaped magnet, or you can say that what? Horseshoe magnet. Horseshoe magnet. Clear? So as we draw the magnetic field lines of a bar magnet, in the same way we will draw the magnetic field lines of a horseshoe magnet or U-shaped magnet. जैसा हम लोगों ने बार मैग्नेट में ड्रा किया था वैसा ही हम U-shaped मैग्नेट में ड्रा करेंगे. Clear? So students, U-shaped magnet. See, this is the U-shaped magnet. Students, U-shaped magnet. Na? So how can you identify its north and south pole? Here it is at one hands or leg. You can see here one dot is given, one white dot given. Na? So here easily you can identify that. You can predict that it is a north pole and this other one is south pole, north and south pole. But if this dot is not given, then how can you check? Then you will use a bar magnet, okay, and check its north and south pole. Okay, see here, this is the bar magnet. Here one dot given, it is its north pole. So north and north pole repel each other, but north and south pole attract. See here, attract. Clear? So if it is not given on the magnets north and south pole, not mentioned, then you will use a bar magnet to predict or identify the poles of the U-shaped magnet. Clear, students? But here it is dot is given now, so it is a north pole and south pole. Clear? Then how we will draw the magnetic field lines of this U-shaped magnet? See here, this is U-shaped magnet. Now we know that by the property of the magnetic field lines is always started from north pole and ends to the south pole. It will always form a closed curve. It will never intersect to each other. And the direction of the magnetic field lines is the direction of the north pole along a path along which the north pole will move and just reach to the south pole. Okay, clear? So here we discuss about the magnetic fields of a U-shaped magnet. We know that the U-shaped magnet is very strong. It will create a strong field as compared to bar magnet. Okay. So here north pole is this and this is south pole. So for this we will take is compass. Compass already we have seen in the last few classes. Okay, in practical activity. So we will place here compass. We will start drawing magnetic field lines from north pole, because we know that magnetic field lines is always started from north pole and ends to the south pole. वो खत्म होती है. क्लियर? सो यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? The fields are present around the magnet, that is called its magnetic field. You know, where or in which any magnetic substance will experience a force of attraction. Okay. So here, how we will draw the magnetic field lines of a bar magnet? Already we have discussed. Here we will draw the magnetic field lines of a U-shaped magnet or horseshoe magnet. So first we place here what? Compass needle. So what you will see? You will observe that when you place the compass needle, its head point outward and tells just towards the north pole, because its heads indicate south pole. So south pole attracted by north pole, इससे attract होगा और head points outward. Then we will put here a point and one more point. Clear? Now lift the compass. इसको उठा करके लगाएंगे. Then we will just keep it compass here. यहाँ रखेंगे. फिर से point लगाएंगे. Okay? Then point, one more point. Then again we lift the compass. Then we will keep it here. Then we see again the arrow point outward and the tails of the compass points inward. Then again here we put a point or make a point. Then again in the same way, just you will draw the dot Okay, from North Pole to South Pole. Clear? The same process you repeat many times for the different lines. Okay. Like this. Here inside the magnet, you put up the compass. Okay, north to south pole, north to south pole, and again here you will draw. So you will observe that the multiple lines again started from the north pole and end to the south. Okay. One more you can draw here. Same here, you will observe in this way, you will find the vertical lines are in this way. Okay, students. Again, you will observe that the vertical lines is dense. Okay, near the poles, near the ends, because the strength is maximum near the dense, and inside the under these two hands, between two hands. Okay. Clear? So here vertical lines is very dense, so strength is maximum, very strong. Strength is maximum. Clear? Near the poles or near the ends of the magnet, north and south pole. Okay? So again here multiple lines drawn from north to south. Okay, students? Clear? Okay? So in this way, we can draw the multiple lines of a horseshoe magnet or U-shaped magnet. So again, you can see here the field lines is started from the north pole and ends or meet to the south pole. By the property of field lines, you know that it always is started from north pole and ends to the south pole. So here field lines is maximum as compared to bar magnet. So that's why you can say that here density is more, field lines density is more as compared to bar magnet. So we can conclude that this is the strongest magnet as compared to bar magnet in all type of artificial magnet. It is also a artificial magnet. Okay, students, clear? So in this way we can draw, we can plot the magnetic field lines of a U-shaped magnet. Okay. Now we can just see the practical view of this magnetic field lines, is how we can draw the magnetic field lines using the horseshoe magnet compass method. Okay, on a plain A4 size paper. Okay, we will just see this field lines practical by a practical view. Okay, on a plain paper. Okay, students, clear? So you can easy and better understand this point by an activity. Clear, students? Okay. So try to understand this point, magnetic field lines of a bar magnet and U-shaped magnet or horseshoe magnet. Any doubt you can ask this next class. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.